Alright, your shield's gonna be right here. Yeah, that's perfect. No, get closer though, get closer. I hope you guys enjoyed that brand new intro. Shout out to Spark Design on Instagram. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Jordan, aka Pinoy Shot Art, and welcome to Adventure Art episode 3. If you're new to the channel, what this series is about is where I go on an adventure to find a picture to use in a drawing. So today we're doing Super Smash Bros, and I hope you guys enjoy the episode. And also I'm doing a sticker giveaway, so stick around to the end of the video to figure out how to enter and win any of these stickers. Hey, what's up? Look at the squad today. Awkward Nestor right here. He said he's awkward on camera. So
what's going on, guys?
This is Daniel.
Welcome to the vlog.
All right, guys, we made it to the hill.
We at the top already.
What? What's up, Jack Daniels?
What's up? What's up? What's up?
We got Gymshark model. You seen him on the website. This is him.
No, but for her, they gave her a specific bending style.
Let's get it. Nah, what would you do if you saw a gorilla up there right now in the trail? You're freezing? I think I'm running. Nestor finna fight. Should we go left?
We gotta go uphill.
Should we go Jack Daniels?
Or right? All right, we're gonna split up. You guys go that way and I'll go down. Give this guy a head start.
You all dead already?
Yeah, I'm fine. My heart rate is crazy right now. Yeah, I think we gotta get moving. The sun is setting. Oh, that's a nice view. Oh yeah. Where do you guys want to do it? Down? This is cool. All right, get in positions. Just your link.
I'm gonna go over there.
This guy Yoshi. Yo, that's actually good right there. Daniel, stay like that. I don't know, what does Yoshi do? He squats. He turns into a ball and he lays eggs, bro. Lay some eggs. Like pretend to eat that. Yeah, like that. Okay. All right.
Oh, yeah, I don't even remember. Yeah, he does. All I know is that Mario be jumping. Mario jump higher.
And then Fox in the back kicking. Or no, what does he do? He shoots a gun, right? I'll put him in the back like this. Your shield's gonna be right here. Yeah, that's perfect. No, get closer though, get closer. With an egg coming out. Pretend you're running in the air while you jump. But like jump diagonal so we can see you. Stand back. Wait, we need to action.
Alright. Set hike.
Hey Nestor, go in the back real quick and just be Mega Man. Alright, we out. We back down. You guys want to go to the top? Alright, we out. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I am very excited for this episode, for this drawing actually, because Smash Bros was like a big part of my childhood on GameCube. You know how Smash Bros is 2D. I wanted to show what it would be like if it was like a first-person perspective of it. So that's why I'm doing this. So I just had everybody pick their favorite characters. Nestor chose Link. Daniel chose Yoshi. I chose Fox. Little airplane is pretty fire. Like, that was my favorite map too. And then one of my boys was supposed to come too, but he didn't make it, but he chose Mega Man. So all right, so now I'm gonna drop the color in 3, 2, 1. I dropped all my colors in. I'm gonna keep this gray right now because this is supposed to be the airplane that they're on. And in the background, I found this image for a sunset that I want to do. It's like peach with some orange and pink. I want to do this as my background. Yeah, so one of the things I found this dude on Etsy. He makes these like crazy portraits, and I just hit him up on Instagram. And don't be afraid to reach out to all your favorite artists, because they have like good tips that you could use that will benefit your art. I showed him Venture Art number 1, my Dragon Ball Z one, and he was like, yeah man, you did really good. I just asked him for tips on landscapes, but he was like, just use a reference while I'm drawing and work on my color harmonization. Now my main focus right now I'm about to do is the plane, and I want to make sure that the sky is reflecting off of it accordingly. I'm still, honestly, this is like my 3rd time. These Venture Arts, they're like my very first times doing landscapes, so I feel like I'm getting better. I'm just trying to improve every day. All right, so this is what I got so far. Take a quick little break to take this soju shot. Here's a pro tip. If you draw a little buzzed, your colors look better. Cheers, YouTube. I want to start doing more details with the characters. All right, so this is what we got so far. I got a little too messed up last night, so I couldn't finish, but yeah, it's a new day. I got better lighting now, so let's see what we got. All right, so I'm gonna work on the characters a little more later. I want to make it a little more interactive, so I'm gonna put like a whole bunch of items from Smash Bros. What do you guys think I should put? I'm for sure gonna put the hammer. So I'm a little old school with it, so we're gonna add some Pokeballs. I'm gonna put a warp star for sure. I messed with the freezies. They were pretty valid. So now I'm gonna work on that, and then I'll check back with you guys. Alright guys, let me show you this trick. I wanna make it look like this bomb is falling from the Smash Bro gods. So in order to make it look like it's falling down, all you have to do is highlight the item that you want. Go over here to, I use perspective blur. And then if you hit directional here on the bottom, it'll pull up this toggle menu. I just make it face downwards. I'm probably gonna make it blur like maybe 12%. Something. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Shout out to all my boys that came through to help me out with it. I hope you learned some art techniques that could help you with your artwork and help you improve. So, sticker giveaway. All you have to do is comment on this YouTube video which sticker you want and just subscribe, and then share it to a friend if you'd like. That's optional, but do it anyway, you know what I'm saying? Thumbs up this video, please. All the interaction that I get really helps the channel grow. And subscribe, hit that subscribe button and push that notification bell, please. If you want to get a print of this Super Smash Bros. Edition, just head on over to my website. I'll link that in the description as well. The winners will be announced in next week's video at the end of that video. So I'll see you guys then. Peace.